This is Inception 7523. Let's do this thing. Somebody's winning the Rays. Here we go. Rays are down near the bottom, so they're going to be easy to see, which is super handy. 5 times, here we go. Whoever's on top wins them in 7523. Good luck all. 1. I'm so hungry. Oh, I pasted them twice? Let's try it again. Rays removed. 5 times, let's do this. Why was there 58? Right? 2. 3. 4. And 5. Top is the Guardians. Hey, they changed it. Hey, what? Why did they change that, but not the NFL one? I'm sorry, that's an overreaction, but 7523. Who's got Cleveland? Why? Why did they change that, but not the NFL one? Who is this guy? I didn't change a single one in the NFL one. Shane Hartney, congratulations. Oh, yelling took so much, like, tiredness. Yelling made me tired. You know it's all about the boom. No, that's totally fine, Ring. I fully understand it, man. I get into other people's breaks. I, of course, can't get into my own, so. But yeah. Listen, people get stuff cheaper than we do sometimes, and you may as well take advantage of that, especially if it's a product you like. Here we go, Inception $2 break, giveaway raise. Running out of breath very quickly. Max Muntz, Matt Manning, Jackson Kawhi, Luke Williams. God, that's a beautiful auto patch. To 249, Josiah Guay for the Washington Nationals. Excuse me? Max Muncy, Guay, and Gleyber Torres. I sound like a typical child off a movie. Lewis Gill. Aaron Judge. Gleyber Torres. Curtis Torrey. 5 of 199, my dad, Austin Riley. That's it. Pink to 99, Dansby Swanson. And green, Christian Yelich for the Milwaukee Brewers. That is Inception 7523.